Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine Marie. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, sis? You already know what it is. Welcome back to my vlog. Say hi, Mason.
Hello, but if you go to Sam's Club, you need to get these.
Yeah, they're sugar-free. We're trying them out. But yeah, like I said, my name is Jasmine. I am a mom, a wife, everything, okay? We do it all over here. I just remembered that I had not filmed the intro for this vlog. So I was like, let me do that right quick. Today, or this week's vlog is kind of just like birthday prep, getting ready for my daughter's birthday party. So you're gonna see a little bit of that. Today is actually Friday.
This is not a sponsor.
Today's Friday and the party is tomorrow. So we have a few errands to run. I have to clean a little bit and then we're gonna come back home and kind of get prepared. I have to put this balloon arch together. Her birthday is on St. Patrick's Day. We're just a week behind. So I found this cute poster thing on sale for $7 clearance because all of their, you know, St. Patrick's stuff was on clearance, and it says "You are my lucky charm." Then they had this one. Put it up. It says "Feeling lucky." And I was like so glad that I ran up on this. This one was $6. As you can see, we keep it oh so real over here. Y'all hear the kids in the background. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So we're gonna run our errands and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. Okay, you guys, so I have successfully dropped Aaliyah off at daycare. She has been enjoying coming lately. When I tell you, I used to have to fight with her to come, but she's been enjoying it like as she gets older. And her and her little friends are like in this little baby doll stage. They bring their dolls to school and stuff. So that's why she wanted to come, because they're all like bringing their things and playing together. So she took Gabby or whatever. Now I'm about to rush back home. See, I had plans and my plans are gonna have to get like what is the word I'm looking for? Detoured? I don't know. I gotta change my plans around. I guess I could have just said that. I was gonna drop her off and go to Target because Target is just like down the road. But now I have to go home because I need to wait on the plumber. So yes, we are in a new brand new construction home, but there are things that do come up that you just won't see during an inspection. So thankfully, you know, I have the contact for our builder, which they are amazing. They really did their big one with the customizations of our home. I just loved everything. So yeah, I have to meet the plumber, and then I can like do the dishes and stuff while I'm waiting. But yeah, I have to kind of just run to Target for, really I'm just looking, and also I do need a few things, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it from Target because, oh, I know the reason why. It's my daughter's birthday on Sunday, so she's turning 13. So I was thinking about getting her like a basket and filling it up with like girly things that I know she would like, instead of just buying meaningless gifts like that we usually do. You know, she's too old for toys and things like that. So I think I'm gonna put like some body washes, some like girly stuff. We went to Kohl's the other day and she's like obsessed with Hello Kitty, which is crazy because like when I was growing up, we had in Cali, you know, and if you're from like the West Coast, I don't know if other places had it, but like in the mall, you can go to the Hello Kitty store. They had Hello Kitty pencils, backpacks, like literally a Hello Kitty lover's dream. And then, you know, just a few other little things. Hey, while I'm at Target, I think I'm gonna try to find like a little journal so I can plan out my content and actually be intentional. And also, you guys, I'm itching I gotta do my daughter's hair for her birthday as well. I'm doing her some medium knotless, boho knotless. I don't feel like doing it, and I got my nails, but I wasn't thinking about that. I was like, I'm just gonna do my nails, not thinking like, girl, you have to braid a whole head of hair. I'm itching really, really bad to recut my bob. I just love the bob life. I really do. Like, to me, a bob is giving like grown, sexy, confident woman. And the long hair on me, I just feel so like blah with it. When it's curly, it's cool. But like straight long hair on myself, I just don't feel like it's giving. And that's just my opinion. I love a bob. Ooh, I love a bob. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna hit up my girl, Sheena, because I'm really itching to do that. Okay, so these are the bar stools that I ended up ordering. They're very modern, and I don't know, I just like them. They have the black and then the gold detailing, which I went with gold here instead of silver simply because I'm gonna pull from like the browns, and my dining table is brown. So yeah, they were on sale for $200 a piece, and you get 2. So I thought that was a really good deal. I honestly am just so tired of looking for bar stools, but this is like the style that I kind of was gravitating towards. So these are the ones that I got, and I think they look super cute. But yes, those are the ones that I ordered, and hopefully they look amazing here. Y'all, the way my stomach and my back has been cramping the last 2 days, I haven't even started my cycle yet. So that tells me all I need to know. Like, I need to just go ahead and get the heating pad and everything out. When I start cramping, like my back and stuff, before my cycle comes, I know it's gonna be either a heavy cycle or just a bad cramping cycle. And I don't typically cramp that bad, but telltale signs, maybe the red flags are always there. We're gonna go to Target. So I looked up the price of the Hello Kitty necklace and earrings at Kohl's. They're like originally $40 each, but they're on sale, y'all, for less than $15. So I'm like, yeah, I gotta get it. And they're cute. I mean, you know, it keeps her very like youthful in her age, because what's the rush? I know like a lot of kids are just on this like, I can't wait to be grown. We all were like that. But let me tell you something. Stay young. Stay young and free, okay? It's a trap. I'm trying to tell you. I wish somebody would have told me. But I remember, like, even as a young girl myself, I was very young. Like, I stayed very much so my age until like I was about 17, and then, you know, we ain't gonna talk about that. But I was still very much a child. Like, I stayed home. I didn't really go to parties. I was very much so scary. I was scared to do stuff. I did not want to get in trouble. I was watching cartoons still as a teenager, and like family style movies. My husband judges me all the time because I didn't watch like Friday, and you know, he has all these movies like Belly, like the hood movies. I was not watching that. So now like when he watches it and I like kind of peep in a little bit, I be emotional as hell. Like, oh my God, why would he do that? Like, they're bleeding in the street and I'm just over here a mess. Like, how do y'all watch those type of movies? I just can't get with it. I don't know hardly any lines from Friday. Like, I know Felicia, but that's about it. And I know you ain't got to lie, Craig. You ain't got to lie. Like, I know some stuff, but I literally stayed in a kid's place. And I just hope my kids are the same as me. Like, you know what I mean? I hope they take that after me instead of being in such a rush to like grow up. And I said all of that because I'm like, the Hello Kitty earrings are so cute for her age. Like, it keeps her young, and I love that. Yeah, so let's get to Target. Let's get to Target and try to stay under our budget. Okay. Oh, they're $5. It's cute. And they even have these little clear bins here. They have so many cute opposites. Feelings. Let's find her a cute little basket. This is cute.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus? running and I keep looking at you.
All right, fam. So $200 later, we're out. Let's go home.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
Spring break. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Marie. If you are new here, as you guys can see, the kids are arguing in the back. It's an everyday, every hour, every minute occurrence. It is spring break. We're getting ready to get out the house for a little bit. Say, what's up? He always got an attitude. And then the other one, she be with it. So we're about to get out the house.
No name.
They know Aaliyah. They know Aaliyah. Okay, so we have our art. Okay, you just want to mix paint at this point.
No, I'm making better colors.
We have
I need a
Aaliyah's
color
from
palette.
earlier. Let me see. Yeah. Look what I did.
Hey, you guys!
I said sorry.
Now you guys look like Samaya!
I call myself trying to be an artist today
Just
too.
like Dookie.
Okay, so they're painting, and I even tried to paint today. We're not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it.
You sound like Lorraine.
Cause look, we're not gonna talk about it.
Well, you're built like.
Cause what? What?
Cause period.
I'm gonna fix it. I really just added more plaster, and it's drying, but I know I'm always doing something.
You smell like the doo-doo
Why
that
you
do that.
why you sound like Ice Spice? I'm always doing something.
Maya,
You
don't.
like doo-doo, you smell like doo-doo, and you look like doo-doo.
Yeah, this is how our night is going. So we're gonna wrap this up so we can
And
get
you fucking
comfortable.
like doo-doo. I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Guys, I'm so excited. Okay, we just got home, and while we were out, the bar stools that I had ordered arrived. I have been waiting 2 weeks for these bar stools, okay? So I'm gonna do like the unboxing on my Instagram, but these are the ones that I got. I don't know if y'all can really, here you go. This is what they look like. I think I did show you guys what they look like on the beginning of this vlog, I think. Don't have me lying, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna unbox them, and make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's where I post like all of my new home content and like beauty stuff, you know, all the things. So yes, I'm so excited. I gotta clean up a little bit. I know, like, basically I be wanting my house to look unlived in, but it's very much lived in, like very much. Let me see. I can't see. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Why is there a towel hanging from the door? Okay, I have got to clean up, you guys. I'll see y'all in a second.
Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow will work out itself. Hey, this one's not wasting nothing. Come to buy. See you with the top down. To the right.
I grew up loving this. This is like a childhood memory. Somehow we ended up in here.
Look, it's so fire.
Mom, can we
If
get
anybody,
What is this? What age is this?
Mom, can we get this one for Meme? Mom, look. Can we
Yeah,
get
I don't know
this,
about
Can
that.
we get this one for Meme?
No.
This would be good for Meme.
Mason.
You're right.
So Mason, you're gonna do Harry Potter. Okay, Lily. Because I didn't see Little Mermaid. They have Bluey. It's cute. Good morning, guys. So I wanted to show you the end result of the what do you call this? The balloon arch. So this is what it ended up looking like. I think it's so super cute. One of the little clovers came off, but that's fine because, yeah, that's fine. And then we have this little area where I'm gonna put like her cake and stuff. It says feeling lucky. The only thing is she wanted a strawberry cake, so you know it's not gonna match, but these are the cookies. And they have those little cute little things. So yeah, next time you all will see me, I will be a little bit more put together. So yeah. Hey guys, so I am Little Miss wait till the last minute. So I just need to the Wally World and grab like a few things that I just forgot yesterday. Actually, I didn't even forget. It's just that Kroger didn't have, you know, y'all, sometimes Kroger doesn't have everything that you need. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Walmart and grab some like last minute stuff, and then I'm gonna go back home and get dressed for the party. I just threw on some leggings real quick to be able to run this errand. It is 11 o'clock, so I think I should be trying to get the ball rolling with this with the cooking. So putting her to work, season that chicken.
No, you did not. I offered. I literally offered to do this.
Ma, you like your sign I made you? Okay guys, I'm home. I got everything that I needed from the store. My edges, it's been a few hours. My edges are still here, so I'll show you guys the edge control later. But anyways, the food is just about done. I almost had a disaster. I set one of the little tin pans while it was hot on my counter, my marble counter. And y'all, it like, I had to really get it out. You really can't tell now. That was about to devastate me. But anyways, this is the food. We have so much food, you guys. And then here is the balloon art. It came out so cute. Ooh. They bringing in some food. Oh, they finna go back on there? Yeah. Look how cute. Oh no. Hold on, I'm sorry. Let me show y'all what my man did. Because my man is, he a chef too. Y'all didn't know that.
I'll do a little something.
But be careful. You should have got the other knife. Yet. Yeah, that's the knife. That knife sharp. It'll cut right through this board.
Woo! Yeah. It's hot.
It's hot.
I should have got those gloves.
I feel so festive. I have on my green. Babe has on his, what color is this? Like khaki? Mason has on khaki. Come here, Mace. He's matching dad today. This is how I talk. I sound different because I'm not yelling at you guys. That's why. Okay, let me see. Ooh, don't be a hater all your life, Samaya. Y'all match. Makes you look so handsome. You say thank you, not yeah. Okay, bye. Oh, let me see.
Y'all play along so we can get paid.
Okay, because I'm already on. Look at my son, y'all. Y'all like his hair? I did it. I did that, man. I did that.
Somebody at the front door. It went off.
It's a little kid. Who is that? It was already unlocked. Okay, you guys, so it is the end of the evening. Let me turn this water off. I'm getting ready to take off my makeup, kind of relax, get comfortable for the evening. Today ended up being a really good day. My kids actually have a lot of cousins and just family and stuff that we just never really get to see. So the turnout was great. We had a great time. So many people. It's like, I love hosting. I told you guys this earlier. I was like cleaning up after like literally everything that I did, which I'm glad because now I don't have nothing to clean up because I cleaned as I go. That's like a major key. But yes, I'm about to relax, take this makeup off, get this hair all wrapped up. My hair has grown so much, you guys. Y'all know I had my bob and I was contemplating getting it back, but I think I'm gonna let my hair grow out. But yes, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you are subscribed, like, comment, and all of the things down below. And yeah, that's the end of this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for next week.